Now today children, we will see the active and passive voice. Do you have any idea what is active voice and what is passive voice? It's the difference is simple. In active voice, the subject is the doer of the action and the object is the receiver. But when we talk about the passive voice, it becomes vice versa. That is, the object becomes and it comes first, it becomes the recipient, it becomes the subject, and the subject becomes the recipient, or we can say it becomes an object. There are two special forms for verbs, which is called voice: active voice, passive voice. What is active voice? The active voice is the normal voice. This is the voice that we use most of the time. You are probably already familiar with the active voice. So this is the voice which we often use when we talk about passive versus active. The passive voice is less usual than the active voice. The active voice is the normal voice, but sometimes we need the passive voice too. So the active voice is the usual voice which we speak about, but the passive voice is less usual as comparative to the active voice. And the people prefer to speak active voice than the passive voice. In the active voice, the object receives the action of the verb. So again I'll repeat, in the active voice, the object receives the action of the verb or the action which is done by the subject. The example, cats eat fish. The cats is the subject, eat is the verb, and fish is the object. But when we talk about the passive voice, as I have told you, the passive voice is less usual. In the passive voice, the subject receives the action of the verb. I repeat again, the passive voice is less usual. In the passive voice, the subject receives the action of the verb. Example, in the active voice, we say everybody drinks water. So, everybody is subject, drinks is verb, and water is objective. Again, I repeat, everybody is subject, drinks is verb, and water is object. So, this is active voice. But when we transform it into passive voice, it is changed as water is drunk by everybody. Children, this verb, it is denoted with the help of the helping verb, and the drunk, it is changed into the third form of the verb which we have already studied as past participle. So, past participle is the third form of the verb. This drinks is changed into drunk, and the helping verb is joined with the past participle, that is the verb in the third form. And when we talk about the object, the word by is used, that is, we denote an action done by the doer using the word by. So the action becomes, the sentence become as water is drunk by everybody. Now, how to construct the passive voice? The structure of the passive voice is very simple. Subject plus auxiliary verb, or we can say helping verb, plus the main verb in the third form, which is known as the past participle form. So again I repeat, subject plus auxiliary verb or we can say helping verb plus main verb in the third form, which is past participle form. The main verb is always in its past participle form. Let's look at the few examples. Water is drunk by everyone. 100 people are employed by this company. I am not paid in euro. We are not paid in dollars. Are they not paid in dollars? So I am paid in euro. We are not paid in dollars. Are they paid in dollars? So this is how, when the active voice changes into passive voice, this is how the sentence is written. The verb changes into the past participle, and here it is helped by the helping verbs, that is, am, are. So the verb is changed in the third form or past participle form, and here the doer is expressed by the word by. Now let's see where it is used. We use the passive voice when we want to make the object more important. So when more importance has to be given to the object, we use the passive voice. And when we do not know the active subject. So is it clear, children? We use the passive voice on two conditions. First, when we want to make the object more important, and when we do not know the subject in the active voice. So at those two times the passive voice is used. Example is, President Kennedy was killed by Lee Harvey Oswald. So here President Kennedy is the subject which has to be given more importance. My wallet was stolen. Here the object is missing. So this is how the active voice is used and how this active voice is changed into the passive voice. I hope, children, you all have understood. Now start solving the exercises from your grammar book. Thank you. Have a good day.